Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and I want to talk about how to refrigerate items when you're backpacking. Now, longer trips, when I'm in British Columbia and places along those lines, I use freeze-dried food. But when I'm doing luxury backpacking, when I take all the good stuff, what I do is I get a soft cooler such as this, and you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. But as you can see, I've got frozen hot dogs, I've got frozen sports drinks, and then not frozen, but I've got sodas in there. You know, that's always good to have something bubbly or fizzy, carbonated, whatever you want to call it, to go with your meal. So the value that this adds is that the frozen sports drinks and the frozen hot dogs, they chill the soda, you know, the Coke. So they chill that, so even though it's not frozen, it's still cool. And what you can do, if you carry extra cans, you can put them in your cooler next to your frozen sports drinks and hot dogs, and it'll act as a refrigerator of sorts. So just a convenient way to refrigerate your items while you're backpacking overnight, and you know, just be able to replenish what's in there and chill other cans. And when you're ready to drink them, you know, like I've got one sitting out there because it was frozen solid. I wanted a Gatorade because I've been hiking about 8 miles. So, you know, I put that close to the campfire, not in the campfire, but close, and let it thaw out so it would melt enough to drink. So I hope this tip's of value. Again, if it is, like this video, comment below, tell me what you think, and be sure to subscribe. And when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Rick Sky's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.